Hello my kings and queens, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what look I go for like a natural everyday type of look. This is a look that is very it's not really natural because you can see like the glow, but it's not like a dramatic, it's not like any look that I've done on my channel before. And this is a look that like I'll go for like a Saturday or like at school. If I have to like kind of dress up for something, I go for this look. If any of you guys are wondering, yes, I did color my hair. It is reddish now. So it was red in the other video, but you probably couldn't really tell because my camera lighting was poor and my hair was poor and it was just poor all over. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So to start off with the look, I am just going to prime my face because gotta prime it first. For my primer, I just got some e.l.f. Lift from Within primer, and this is just from like Walgreens or Walmart or Target. You can pretty much get this anywhere, but it's new to the e.l.f. collection and I really like it so far because it keeps your skin nice and hydrated. And if you have like dry skin, I don't have dry skin, but like if you do have dry skin, this is probably a good primer for you. But I don't know because I don't have dry skin. Now once that is done, I'm just going to put on my foundation, and as I've said in my other videos, I just started using this foundation too. It's the Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation, and my tone is golden beige. To apply it, I just use this beauty blender that I've had forever that I need to get new beauty blenders, but then I blend it all out with this one of my largest spoon brushes. Now I'm just going to conceal my face. For concealer, I also use e.l.f. and I use light because I want it like a shade lighter. Then I mix it with the Pro Life LA Girl concealer, and you can get this from a beauty supply store. And it's really cheap, which I know is probably a turn off for a lot of girls, but it is really, really good. So you don't always have to have like expensive makeup. So I'm going to continue contouring my face, and I just use this e.l.f. contour palette because you don't have to like have expensive makeup, and especially because I'm starting off, I just use like not inexpensive makeup, and I just use the bottom two shades for my face, but then for this I use for my nose. Now to blend it out, I'm going to use my biggest brush from the entire spoon brush collection that I have, and the handle did come off, but I still use it because it's still a really good brush. So I'm going to go in with this Stay Finishing Powder, and I just use this to finish off all of my base makeup. Oh, you can't see the smoke. Now for my favorite part, doing my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown. And this is so far my favorite eyebrow product that I've ever used. I don't remember what this brush is called, but and I don't even know if it's e.l.f. or anything, but it has a spoolie on one end and it has a very fine tip brush on the other end, and I use it to apply the product. I don't really think it matters what type of brush you use as long as you have like a really like fine tip, but I don't really remember what this is called or where it's from. So now that I have the product on, it looks really dark, so I'm gonna brush it out, but as you can tell, this eyebrow is better than this one, so we're gonna fix it with, you already know, e.l.f. concealer. Now that I put it under my eyes, I'm going to go back in with the LA Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to put that on my eyes, and then I'm going to blend my eyebrows, my eyebrow concealer and my eye concealer together. gonna start with my eyeshadow, but before I do that, I'm just going to like have like a base. So I'm gonna go back in with that powder and I'm gonna put it on my eyelids. Since I have like a fair skin tone, my go-to color for eyeshadows, like if I am wearing makeup and it's supposed to be like natural, like I use like yellows and like browns. So I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to use Creamsicle, which is this color right here, and I'm going to mix it with these two browns. And then I'm also going to use my Morphe palette and I'm going to use these two browns over here. I like to mix like the yellows and the browns together so it can form like this like burnt yellow color, but it's still like my skin color at the same time. Now I just want like a pop of glitter to go like in here. So I'm gonna go with this palette and I'm just going to use this gold right here. This palette doesn't have any names for its colors, so just know that it's in the third row and it's third from the last. And then to accent my eyes, I'm just going to use one of these brown colors and I'm gonna put under my eye. For mascara, I just use Roller Lash by Benefit. Now that that's done, I'm just going to highlight. To highlight, I use the Carly Bybel palette and I just use this white color right here. For my brush, I just use this Kabuki brush from e.l.f. and yeah, this is the brush that I use. And now I'm just going to highlight my brow bone with the same color. Now for my lips, I usually just put on a little lip gloss, but today I'm going to use my birthday gift that I got from Sephora. And this lip liner is called Grace, but I just put it all over my lips because it also comes like as a lip color too. Now to finish my face, I'm just going to apply this powder, and it's finishing powder. I don't like to use a little sponge in there, so I just use my same brush from before. And now to finish off everything, I'm just going to spray this finishing spray all over my face. And now I'm done. I ain't playing. Dang it! So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. If you enjoyed seeing this look or if this look inspired you, please make sure that you tag me on your Instagram pictures if you take any. My Instagram is CMakeup, but my main Instagram is Sierra X Andrea, so follow me on those. Also follow me on Twitter because I will be posting more frequently at Sierra X Andrea. Subscribe to become a king or a queen, and also check out Cianity, which is the YouTube channel that I do with my friend Kennedy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.